Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got us some mics and they're really cool. Tell me how they feel from my voice. It's been a while, actually, I think a week. You've seen me post some shots, and thank you very much for receiving them very well. And I'm back, and with a little bit of amplified voice with these little mics. I hope they do justice to the content that we are creating. So let us dive in to today's video. Even when I am away and not recording videos of me sitting down and giving you some shots of activities that I'm involved in real life, and thank you very much for receiving those activities with so much love. I am so grateful. You weren't just born to survive, and this video is all about that. So what do I mean when I say you weren't just born to survive? You were born to multiply, to create wealth that reflects your purpose, not just your labor. In 2025, African women are no longer asking for space. We are building. We're building empires, families in silence. There are 12 powerful income streams that you can create for yourself without having to forget everything. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Fresha Ndichu, speaker, builder, and believer. And today we are getting in practical about wealth. If you've ever wondered, where do I start? Or how can I earn more without losing my peace or everything else altogether? So these are 12 income streams that I actually sat down and crafted so you can get yourself started with wisdom. I hope that you can give it a try using the skill or the opportunities that are around you. Pick one that suits you best, your time, your availability, and helps you stay consistent without giving anything in your life a pause. I'll be honest, digital space is not for every single person. But now that I'm here, I know there are most of us who are having the capabilities that most people don't, but they are quiet, holding on their skills, and still wondering, how am I going to create an extra stream of income? Or what can I do? Try any of these 12, and I promise you it's going to reward you with time, patience, consistency, and as you build, please do not forget, nothing good comes easy. So you have to put in effort, you have to work. I'm not giving you an easy way out. I haven't had it easy, so I do not know what easy actually means. So give it your effort, your love, and I am sure with time it's going to bloom. So let's start with the first one. And this one is for people who are aware of what online is. So digital products, ebook templates or PDFs that are helping people in parenting hacks, something that helps people in budgeting. If you're good at something, package it, promote it, and price it. Content creation. If you are showing up online on YouTube like myself, TikTok, Instagram, you are not just a creator, you are a brand. Monetize through views, ads, and even partnerships. Online courses or workshops. I have seen Helen, what's her name again? Oh God, I am losing her name. This girl called Helen Muthoni, actually, Helen Muthoni, selling online courses and books that she's writing. Okay, you have something you're good at, market it, package it, and price it. So she had a workshop that she did. So teach what you know, whether it's in Swahili or teaching people how to use Canva, or you love how to cook and cooking nice meals, teach people how to do it. The fourth thing is affiliate marketing. Recommend what you already love. Products, books, this can build you a passive income, something that you're already using, you're already spending on it. What if that becomes an investment for you? That you buy something, read it, and recommend it. If you're good at something, then you can be able to monetize it somehow. I hope this fast four gives you a kickstart of how easy it can be to build something. Now, you can take time behind the scene building and putting something together so that it can be able to be sustainable and relieve you a bit of pressure. If you need if it's content and you need to batch create, unlike myself who would record a video in real time and probably even post it the same day, it's quite a lot of pressure. I should probably batch record to avoid probably missing a video a week or something. This is something you can actually do, and if you have a lot of time on your hands, it can really become something that you do, that you teach, that builds you as a person, both financially and even as helps you manage your time, become more productive. And this can be something that you do long term. You never know how, when, but if you build and put love into something, if you wish to multiply it, it's going to be multiplied. But it takes effort, it takes dedication, it takes energy, and that energy must be poured in so that the people receiving can feel it. Number 5, day services. What am I saying? Are you good at makeup, baking, social media, photography, CV writing? Your skills can become your income. Number 6, reselling products. Buy wholesale and sell retail. These are happening everywhere, in clothes, kitchenware, even perfumes. People are doing that from Instagram to WhatsApp. You can start small and grow. Number 7, homemade products, organic soap, shea butter. I don't know much about this. Spice candles. These products are flying off in the shelves. Okay, so there is this time during COVID that a lady was selling her own homemade soaps in her apartment. She was just making them outside of her balcony, just outside the her rented apartment, and she would sell it to us in the neighborhood, and we used to buy them. I don't remember a time during that time of COVID 2020 that I actually bought soap from the supermarket. Maybe a soap for shower, or other bathing soap. I bought that, yes, but anything else involving cleaning, laundry, and all that, I bought that soap from her. It was a liquid soap that she would literally mix outside of our apartment and sell it around the area. So you can still do that. So this is someone like me who like taking care of her natural hair to stay bulky and as natural as can be, because I actually don't want to ruin my hairline, which has actually stayed even after giving birth. But of course, my hair does break, probably because of heat sometimes, and maybe after delivery, but just not as much. For someone who like to take care of her natural hair, it could probably go ahead and create a product that would help people do that. But I don't have time. Like you've seen me create, there's a video I created about me pursuing a degree at 32, and that's what I'm doing. So I have a lot of things going on as we speak, because I'm a mom, a wife. I have a 9 to 5, and other than having a 9 to 5, I'm also a student. um that being said, I do have a lot going on, including content creation, which I want to show up here for you to see and observe my journey. And while I don't record every single aspect of my life and post it on here, I am happy to give you lessons in 10 minutes that I learn as I go about my life, that I learn as I invest in myself. I come here and give you 10 or 15 minutes video teaching you something I have learned in my journey. So being a mom, having a 9 to 5, and still being a student pursuing her dream, her childhood dream, which I will make sure to finish, and I hope you all will be here to celebrate with me when that time comes. I want to celebrate every single milestone of my life, big or small, and learning from it and teaching those lessons here. So I'm not giving lessons because I know everything. I'm giving lessons because I am open to learning on a daily basis, and each single moment of my lessons, I give it here wholeheartedly, feeling and knowing that someone will pick it up and do something about their life, do something about their situation, do something about their circumstances, because those things are temporary, and you can ensure that they are temporary by doing something about it. So let's continue. I've been talking a lot more than I should be talking. Let's continue. You can also become an influencer or brand collaborations. Even with 1,000 followers, like myself, you can partner with brands. Your voice is your currency. Know your niche and build trust with people, with brands that you already love, with brands that are helping you build. And when that time comes, I will ensure to give you brands that help me continue to do the things that I'm doing. You see, over time, getting married and settling has always been seen as a way to cripple a woman into pursuing her dreams. And I feel like, no, that should not be the case. You can do a lot to keep growing, even after starting a new journey to build a family. Personally, and this is my personal opinion, a woman who refuses to build family is someone who accepts being stagnated. Period. There is nothing anyone can tell me about someone who refuses to build a home um, that screams success about them. Actually, there's nothing. Nothing. It's not possible. And neither is a man who refuses to build a home. Nothing you can tell me about yourself that is so successful and great about your life, and you refuse to build the one thing that God called you on this earth to do alongside your purpose, that screams success. Absolutely nothing. Come for me if you feel that what I said isn't true. It actually is 100% true. So I'll stop yapping. Number 9, short-term rentals, Airbnbs. They're very famous. Even if you don't own a property, you can manage spaces, co-host, or rent out unused rooms in your place, or just starting your own real estate on digital space. All right. Number 10, farming and agriculture. Whether it's a kitchen garden, pottery, or vertical farming, these things are just amazing. African soil, it's just something you can start. All right. So do not stop. Podcast, we have seen them all over the place. Your voice, your story, use it in platforms where you know that it can be received authentically, and you will go global within no time. Number 12, licensing ideas. This is just amazing. Photoshop or design recipes, license it. It becomes your thing, and you become a professional in that area, a specialist in that area. And while I may not dive deep into what these things are, if it is something you enjoy, if it is something you feel you can do, build on it and monetize it. Here's the truth: you don't need 12 income streams overnight. You just need one that fits your season, your purpose, your calling. Build slow, build real. And remember, wealth is not just what you earn, it's what you multiply, manage, and protect. I don't know if this spoke to someone, but if it did, which one are you willing to start today? Please drop it in the comment section, and I would love to support your idea whenever time is right. Okay? And remember, the most powerful currency in a woman or a man is how you carry yourself, how you build yourself, how you invest in yourself in big or small ways. Any day, any time, any investment done to self is a benefit that will come to you in future 10 times over. So allow me to see you in my next video, and please do not forget to subscribe, because content creation is my niche, and in future I probably would release something that is sort of an ebook for you. Not a very expensive one, something that I actually use and how I do. I could call myself a writer, except I don't have a book released. What I have is 100 and something journals that I journal my days and my troubles, because I am that person who journals anything and everything, and I don't keep it here or here. So I heal through journaling. And if you would like me to create for you a journal prompt, and I think I've asked this question before, please drop it in the comment section, and I will make sure to give you the best of what my heart and my mind and my experiences have to offer. See you.